Bullish Ellipsis money cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 94 cents and $2.06 by 2030. Market investigators accept EPS could reach 94 cents by 2025. Bearish Ellipsis money market cost expectation for 2022 is 16 cents. Ellipsis money presentation. Ellipsis money sent off in 2021 to permit financial backers to safely trade tokens on the Binance Savvy chain with little slippage. It has as of late begun carrying out another move up to keep accomplishing this objective by including its token EPS relocating to another digital money under the ticker EPX. EPS is as of now mobilizing. Yet could this mean certain death for the street for the obsolete token? Also, what's the significance here for an Ellipsis cost expectation? It's vital to explore whether EPS might actually become useless because of this new turn of events. Provided that this is true, then any Ellipsis value expectation would become invalid and void. All things considered, how could anybody need to put resources into a stage whose local token is not generally utilized or upheld? While EPS might be mobilizing now, it's conceivable that once EPX emerges, everybody will dump EPS altogether for the new money. The reality of the situation will surface eventually whether this occurs. Nonetheless, it's something that would merit considering prior to making any kind of Ellipsis cost expectation. What is Ellipsis money? Ellipsis money has a ton of potential since it permits clients to trade coins on the Binance Brilliant chain. The environment utilizes a pool framework like PancakeSwap and Uniswap, making it safer and less slippage. Financial backers can stake tokens into these pools, which give liquidity to clients needing to trade their token. The task has a ton of potential since it depends on the Binance Savvy chain. This gives it preferred security and lower slippage over different stages. Moreover, the pool framework permits financial backers to give liquidity to clients needing to trade their token. Ellipsis will profit from the help of the Bend Money Group, which has a demonstrated history in building trustless, decentralized conventions with zero charges. The group's obligation to effectiveness and steadiness makes them ideal accomplices for Ellipsis. The Bend Money convention is based on top of the Ethereum blockchain, which gives it a few benefits over different conventions. Ethereum, first and foremost, is the most well-known blockchain stage on the planet, with a huge and dynamic designer local area. This implies that more apparatuses and assets are accessible for engineers hoping to expand on Ethereum than on some other stage. Besides, Ethereum is significantly more adaptable than other blockchains, meaning it can deal with additional exchanges each second than its opponents. At last, Ethereum has a great many existing applications that can be incorporated with Bend Money, making it an unquestionably strong convention. The EPS token. The EPS token is the way into the Ellipsis money environment. Financial backers can procure expenses from the stage's trading highlight by marking it. At the point when tokens are gotten into liquidity pools, financial backers are likewise qualified for a portion of benefits in EPS. This makes the symbolic vital to the working of Ellipsis money. Its local token additionally has different purposes. For instance, it tends to be utilized to decide on administration choices made by the group. This guarantees that all partners have something to do with how the stage is run. It additionally permits financial backers to engage with various parts of the venture, like promoting and improvement. By and large, the EPS token is a pivotal piece of what compels Ellipsis money interesting and fruitful. Its various purposes imply that becoming one of the world's driving cryptocurrencies is strategically set up. This framework is intended to boost long-haul interest in the stage, as financial backers who stake their EPS tokens for the full 90 days will be compensated with extra tokens. In any case, it makes a possible boundary for clients who might have to rapidly get to their assets more. Thusly, it is critical to consider whether this stage is appropriate for your necessities prior to putting away any cash. Ellipsis current cost. Ellipsis money is as of now worth 21 cents USD. EPS has moved 1.18% as of now with an exchanging volume of $291,614. Ellipsis money is as of now positioned 433 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $30,836,498 USD. Many variables go into foreseeing the future cost of a digital currency. The main element is the authentic information. By taking a gander at the past costs of a coin, you can get a thought of where the coin is going. You can likewise take a gander at the market cap, flowing stock, and exchanging volume to get a thought of where the coin is going. Another significant element is specialized examination. By taking a gander at help and opposition levels, you can get a thought of where the cost is going. At last, another significant component is venture guidance. By conversing with monetary guides and business experts, you can get a thought of where the cost is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Ellipsis money market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Ellipsis Money Value Forecast 2022. Ellipsis Money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The EPS cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 31 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 29 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and headway. EPS is supposed to have a base worth of 25 cents. Ellipsis Money Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Ellipsis Money EPS cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of EPS will before long outperform 52 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the EPS's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, EPS will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 42 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 46 cents. Ellipsis Money Value Expectation 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 73 cents and EPS might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. EPS is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 67 cents and a low of 63 cents in 2024. Ellipsis Money Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Ellipsis Money effectively supports market opinion among digital currency devotees, the EPS coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, EPS will be green in 2025. The EPS is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 94 cents, with a base cost of 84 cents and a typical cost of 88 cents. Ellipsis Money Value Expectation 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the EPS cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.09 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.05 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, EPS has a greatest value worth of $1.16. Ellipsis Money Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.31. On the off chance that EPS figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.37. Neglecting to assemble the help EPS needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.26. Ellipsis Money Value Forecast 2028. While EPS is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1.47 and a yearly cost close above $1.58 in 2028. Ellipsis Money Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Ellipsis Money will at last outperform its past